recently attended an owners meeting in the Carolinas for Minuteman Press, and we always talk about the latest and the greatest, and my comment to them was, this has been the best investment that I've made in my shop in 12 years, and I really feel strongly about that. I'm Buddy Smith. Our shop is located in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. July will make 12 years in operation at this location. We cater primarily to the small businesses. Most of our runs are typically below 1,000, 250, 500 to 1,000. So the Zante really meets our needs as far as that niche. Over the years, our offset business declined and the digital increased. So we slowly but surely converted most of our offset over to digital, and that worked really well except for the envelopes. So we knew we had to address the envelope situation. I looked around and saw what was available. I actually attended a demonstration of the Zante up in North Charleston by Freeman Graphics. And I was kind of sold on the machine, so we came back and started talking about where we could place it in the shop. I liked what it did. I liked the quality of the construction, especially the feed system. And I was really impressed with the click cost. We can print the envelopes on the Zante much quicker than we could on the offset. Oftentimes the offset, even if we printed them, had to allow the ink to dry. If we had multiple colors, we had to allow the ink to dry between runs. And now with the Zante, somebody comes in and needs 250 envelopes, I can print them that afternoon. So it's just a much quicker turnaround. It requires a lot less hand holding as far as feeding the envelopes in. Once you get the envelopes in, it works very, very well. We've been able to match the color, PMS colors and offset colors. And the neat thing, if we run an envelope job and we need to match the PMS colors on the letterhead, we run the letterhead on there as well. So it makes a perfect match. He's able to save a lot of the jobs, so once he saves it in IQ, if it's a repeat job, we just pull it up, the colors match, and it works very well. I can honestly say, after having it since Thanksgiving, I actually ran the numbers. Although you have software that tells us what the cost is, ran the actual numbers and it was at or below the projected cost. So I'm well pleased with the machine. It works really well, and we get jobs in and we can turn them quickly, and that's one of our strong selling points, is printing for the job you needed yesterday, and we are able to do that with this envelope press.